What does it mean to trust something? You can't quite measure it or touch it. You may not even be able to see it, but you know when it's there. It's a part of everything. It's built over time. It's the foundation of every worthwhile relationship, every interaction. It's the confidence of knowing there's a solution to problems ahead and doing more than what others might consider easy. It's going beyond the expected. Because trust isn't a product that can be bought or sold, but it is the product of everything we do. And our products can be trusted to meet your most demanding requirements. Sealing, bonding, damping, reinforcing, and protecting. We are Sika Industry.